Hello children. Today we will learn the chapter of class 3rd, the plant fairy. Children, this chapter deals with plants. It discusses how the leaves of different plants and trees are different in shapes, size, color, margins. So, let's enjoy the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what are plants. Plants are living things. Why them classify as living things? Because they breathe and grow. They also reproduce. New plants grow from them. Most of the plants grow on land and some grow in water. So, the plants which grow in water are known as water plants. For example, lily, lotus, and in this way, plants are very useful to us. What you all are going to learn in this chapter, dear children, types of plants. It depends upon the shape and size. Different parts of plants. What are the different parts of plant? Leaves, stem, flower, fruits and roots. Different uses of plants. Used in as a food, used in medicines, used as wood, paper, home, for cleaning air and for giving shade and shelter. Then, above all, children, we have to take care of plants at our home as well as in the surroundings. So first we'll discuss about types of plants. Plants, depending upon the size, are of 5 types. Herbs, very small plants. Shrubs, bigger than herbs. Climbers, which take support of something to grow. Creepers, which grow along the land. And very big plants are known as tree. Herbs. Herbs, as I said, very small plants. They have soft green color stem. Their leaves, flower, seeds are used for flavoring food, cooking, and they are also used in medicines. For example, mint. And children, do you know one amazing fact? Banana is also a herb. Banana plant is largest herb. It's not a tree, children. It's a largest herb. Next category, shrubs. Shrubs have many branches and they grow near the ground. Means their height is not that much. Their stem is woody and thin and does not have main trunk. They don't have a main trunk. All the branches grow from the ground. They are smaller than a tree. For example, cotton plant, rose plant, tomato plant, tulsi. These are all shrubs. Their main stem is very thin and soft. Trees. They are tall and big plants. It means they are very, very strong. They have strong stem. The stem of tree is called trunk. They gives us shade, fruits, wood, and they stand erect with the help of their strong stem, strong trunk. Yes, and the roots of the plant get hold of the soil and help them to stand erect. Next plants are creepers. They have soft green stem. You can see in the picture, children. They grow along the ground. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Climbers. Climber plants have weak and soft stem. As they have weak and soft stem, they cannot stand erect and they cannot grow straight like other trees. So they need support. For example, grapevine, money plant, yes, amarbale, then bean plant. These are some of the example of climbers. There is one different category of plants which is known as wild plants and weeds. Wild plants grow naturally. No need them to grow. They do not need anyone to take care of them. It can be grass, trees, small plants. They are all wild plants. They grow on themselves. And weeds are unwanted plants. They are not required, but still they grow anywhere. They can be in pots, in gardens or fields also. They grow very fast and they take the nutrition of other plants. So they are not beneficial in the field with the crops. So they have to be removed from the ground. Now children, how plants grow and change. Yes, the plants grow from the seed and some plants grow from the branches also. Yes, so when a plant grow, it remains stand erect with the help of roots inside the soil. The roots get hold of soil and the main part of the plant which is grown above the soil is known as stem. Stem bear leaves, branches, flower and fruit. Most plants have leaves. Almost all plants have leaves. Leaves are of different size and shape. As leaves are very important parts of plant, children, because they are food factory of the plant. They make food for the plant. Some plants have big leaves. For example, you can see in the picture papaya, lotus, banana. They have very big leaves. Some plants have small leaves. For example, neem, tamarind. Do you know what is tamarind? Imli. Yes, they have very small leaves. And some plants leaves are mostly green in color. So the leaves which are green in color, they prepare food for plants as they contain a pigment chlorophyll which imparts them green color. And the process of preparing food for the plant with the help of leaves is known as photosynthesis, in which air, sunlight also play a important role. Now comes the different parts of plant. Roots. Roots are present under the ground. Yes. And they get hold of the plant in the inside the soil. Stem. Stem is present above the ground and it gives support to the plant. Leaf, as I said, you prepare food for the plant and the process is known as photosynthesis. And the most important part of plant is flower, and it is also very beautiful part of plant. This flower changes into fruit. The fruit bears seed, and when we sow the seed inside the soil, it grows and into a new plant. That is how the seed changes into plant. Now comes uses of plants. Plants are used as food, like you eat different leafy vegetables. Yes, spinach, you eat stem part of the plant, you eat root part of the plant, radish, apple, potatoes. Yes, sugarcane is the stem part of plant, radish is root part of the plant. They also help us to keep air clean. How? They take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Then they gives us fiber. They are used as wood also. Different furnitures are made from the wood. Then paper is also prepared from the wood. They gives us medicines, different plants like tulsi, turmeric, aloe vera, amla. These are all medicinal plants because they are used in preparation of medicines. Some plants flower have sweet smell, so they are used in making perfumes also. In addition, children, as plant gives us many things, they help us in many ways. So it's our duty, my dear children, to take care of the plants. Because if plants will not be there, we'll not be able to get fresh oxygen, and we will feel difficulty in breathing, because breathing is process which requires oxygen. So how you are going to take care of plants? At public places like park, garden, you should always take care of plants. You should water them regularly. Yes, clean the surroundings of the plants, like if there are any weeds, you should remove them. Proper cutting of the plants so that the damaged part of the plant can be removed and it will help the plant to grow properly. Don't walk on grass harshly so that it cannot get damaged. Don't pluck leaves, flowers and branches of trees. They look beautiful when they are on the plants. Do not scratch or write on tree trunks. Yes, yes, these are some of the things which you should keep in mind, children, while you are handling the trees. So remember, always take care of the plants because they take care of us. They are beneficial to us. So from now onwards, you will take care of one tree at least. Okay, remember, if you cut a tree, you cut your life. Without trees, no life possible. So save trees and save life. Okay.